Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on my video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning and watching yet another one of my videos. So, you've got your snake's enclosure all set up. You've decided what you needed. Your heating pad or your heating element is all set up. And now you're ready to bring your baby home. You've got it home. It's in its quarantine enclosure, which it should be for at least a couple of months. At least a month. We've already talked about that in my quarantine video. Now, you want to love on this snake. It's so exciting. You finally got your baby home and you want to hold it and you want to love it and you want to just take a bunch of pictures of it and hover over it. I get it. It's exciting. It is an exciting moment to have your snake finally be home and with you and you just want to love on it. However, it is so important that you don't. You've got to let this snake chill out. You've got to let it hang out for at least a week before you handle it. These snakes have probably been through some things. Let's think about it, okay? So the snake has already spent a significant amount of time with it. Say you got it from a private breeder. It's been in this breeder's environment for who knows how long, possibly its entire life. And now it's been put in a tiny little bag or a tub or a box or whatever it is that it is being transported from this location to your home. The ride, doesn't matter if it's 5 minutes, an hour, or an overnight shipping, can be extremely stressful for a snake. They're really in tune to their environment. They can smell everything around them and they get used to those scents. They can feel the general vibrations that are happening around them and they get used to the daily routines of certain vibrations. And so to suddenly just be put in this small little thing and then driven for who knows how long to who knows where with all these strange scents around them, it can be really stressful. Now, when you get your snake home, it's important not to hold your snake for any significant amount of time. You need to put it in its quarantine enclosure and then let it be. This is not to say that you can't snap a picture or two of your snake. Everybody is going to do it, and that's not going to be super stressful for your snake to do. At this point, it's already been through so much, so taking a picture of it won't add too much more to that stress. But we still want to avoid doing any type of excessive handling. It's important, I think, to personally pick up your snake even during the quarantine time to look it over and make sure that there are no mites or anything else happening on the snake that might need immediate attention. The amount of time that you choose to not hold your snake kind of varies, but I believe that it's typically said to give it 5 to 7 days before you hold your snake. Even after that, it is suggested that you try to feed your snake at least once after this period, and if it eats, then of course you're going to have to wait that 24-48 hour period to let your snake digest its food. Once that time is passed, then it's suggested highly that you go ahead and start handling your snake. But I really hope this video has been useful to you, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. You guys have a great day, love yourselves, love your reptiles, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.